Today we're going to be making one of the most useful things in your Instant Pot, hard boiled eggs. These eggs are super easy to make, and trust me, they're so easy to peel. Once you make eggs this way, you'll never make them on your stovetop again. Just put 1 cup of water, don't change that. Check your seal on the Instant Pot, turn it on to pressure cooker, and then set the time to 2 minutes. It's that simple, that's all you need to do. After it's finished cooking, on a 6-quart Instant Pot, leave it for 12 minutes. Check there's no pressure left, and then off with the lid, and you're ready for your eggs. The next thing we're going to do is cool these eggs down. You can use ice if you have it, or just cold water. If you're using cold water, you might need to just refresh the cold water once or twice over the 5-minute period. Leave them in there for at least 5 minutes, and then they're going to peel so easy. There's a little bit of a knack to peeling these eggs. Give them a bash and then give them a roll. Not too hard. Here I was too hard and the egg just split. Let's start again. A little bit of a bash, and then almost you're going to roll the eggs, just like pat, 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 really gently, just breaking the shell. And if you do that, the eggs are going to just come apart beautifully, and you're going to have hard boiled eggs that you can have anytime. I have these for lunch on toast. Also on our website, we've got some timings for the 8-quart size Instant Pot. You can keep these eggs for about 7 days in your fridge. So it's easy as a snack, it's easy for lunch. If they're cooked a little bit differently than in this video, just adjust the cooking time by plus or minus 1 minute, and you should be fine and good to go. I like my eggs just like this, hard but not over hard. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be back in a few days with another great Instant Pot recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.